When it comes to your idle reduction goals, Webasto can offer you the right solution. As a leading manufacturer of products that are designed to help fleets face emission reduction and fuel-saving challenges, Webasto produces an engine-off fuel-operated heating system to fit your needs. The need to idle for engine preheat and supplemental interior heat can be eliminated. Fleets are under constant pressure to reduce idling throughout the United States and Canada. Webasto is here to help with unmatched idle reduction solutions to help fleets comply with regulations, reduce emissions and maintenance costs, and save thousands of dollars in fuel. When the operator is ready to work, the vehicle is ready to go. No need to idle. A preheated engine saves fuel, reduces emissions, maintenance costs, and labor time are saved in addition to eliminating cold engine starts. Webasto fuel-operated coolant heaters go to work before operators do, virtually eliminating the need to idle. They are reliable and perform in the most demanding climate conditions. Webasto's highly experienced training manager will explain how the coolant heating solution works.
The Webasto Thermal 90 ST heater with an output up to 31,000 BTU and a Webasto Thermal C heater with 17,200 BTU output can be controlled by a simple on-off switch or a pre-programmed timer. The Thermal 90 ST and the Thermal C provide engine preheat, supplemental heat, interior comfort, and defrosted windshields. The modes of operation range from off to full load to obtain and maintain warm starting temperature conditions. The dynamic systems allow you to preheat the engine and vehicle fluids as required in any climate. They offer high performance with low power consumption and the use of very little fuel. The compact designs allow for installation options on the frame rail or in the engine compartment. Once a control device is activated, the heater begins its starting process. The combustion chamber is warmed by the glow pin, ambient air is drawn into the combustion chamber, and fuel delivered from the vehicle's fuel tank. The fuel is evaporated in a controlled process, creating a proper air-fuel mixture which ignites. The cold engine coolant is drawn into the heater's heat exchanger, where it's warmed and pumped back through the vehicle's engine in a continuous loop. This provides a preheated engine, reduces idle, and saves fuel. CARB approved and EPA SmartWay verified, the Webasto coolant heater is a clean air solution meeting 50 state and Canadian compliance.
In any weather, even in freezing cold, machinery must work reliably. No matter how diverse the vehicles and jobs might be, they all have one thing in common. On tough assignments, where full performance is a must, there are always downtimes. Machinery for loading and unloading in particular take long breaks while operator and the vehicle wait for the next job. If the operator cuts off the engine during these breaks, the engine will be unnecessarily stressed by frequent cold starts. If the driver idles the engine to avoid cold starts, the result is harmful exhaust emissions and extremely high fuel costs. You can easily reduce emissions and save significant amounts of money in fuel costs with Webasto's idle reduction equipment. Best of all, Webasto coolant heaters can pay for themselves in less than a year. They are highly efficient, compact, and use very little power. The advantages of Webasto heating systems are real and measurable. Idle reduction, reduced emissions, including particulates and noise, fuel savings, reduced maintenance costs, and reduced engine wear. Our main focus is customer excellence, surpassing the expectations of our partners and customers. You can trust Webasto with your idle reduction needs before, during, and after the installation.